Hey, what's up guys? This is John Spear, Warhammer. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today I wanted to show you guys Klein Tools limited edition American Legacy screwdrivers. They are a pretty sweet little setup, if I must say. I took them out of the packaging. So the American Legacy editions are celebrating Klein Tools 164 years of making quality tools. That's a pretty good, cool little feat, and let's just jump right into it. Fun fact down below, um, they do not sell these on Amazon or anything. The only special edition things that are left are going to be the diagonal side cutters or dikes, whatever you guys call them. Those are in the Amazon link below. Just FYI, I could not find these on Amazon. I tried, gave it a shot, but they made a very limited amount of these guys. So let's just jump right into it. Really cool features. It's going to have a blue handle, red plastic, and a white top. The top is super cool in my opinion. I'm going to try to get it to auto zoom on it. So it has the USA, couple stars, and the corresponding tool logo. So that is super neat, and I'll show you guys the Phillips right now. We'll try to get the auto zoom in there. So USA, couple stars, and the Phillips number 2 mark. You know, classic made in the USA little deal. We're going to twist it. Klein Tools logo. Super cool. Red shank. And the classic Klein tool tip. You know, they're the standard tools, but they are the limited edition ones, and they are just so cool in my opinion. I absolutely love them. I probably will not use them. They're going to stay hung up with the rest of my American, Legacy edition stuff. I was lucky enough to get all 4 of them, which that includes the candy painted linesman set, which is really neat. The candy red dikes, which is in the link below. There's a limited amount, so if you're gonna get them, jump on it right now. And then the bags that have an American logo on it, American flag logo, and it's a little bit bigger. And then of course these bad boys, which they save the best for last in my opinion, because these are so cool. You know, it's nice to see. You know, they only made like a very limited amount that they were going to distribute out to their local electrical distributors, such as like Summit Electric, Rexel, Border States. I don't know what other guys you guys have. Gray Bar maybe, National Electric. So just things like that. So but once again, super cool. Really, really neat little things if you can get your hands on them. They will become collector's editions here, like within next year. You know, you'll be able to find them on eBay for like triple the price, I'm sure of it. Really cool for tradesmen to have some neat little tools like this. So once again, my name is John Spear with Warhammer Electric. Hope you guys have a great day. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. You know, we're just going to keep pumping out videos as they come. So hope you guys have a great day and always be safe. Have a good one. Warhammer's out.